essentially, parang ganun din siya. May classmate ka, yung robot, kokopyahin mo yung mga answers na hindi mo alam.
Okay.
So that's where the shadow technique is formulated. Kasi when I started to try this way back 2021. Imagine guys, 2021, no? It's going 4 years. Oh, on my first month, on the 4th month, ng 500%. Yun nga lang, mataas yung drawdown. Sabi ko, ulitin ko kaya. Copyahin ko kaya yung low risk na pairs. And I tried it out. The following month, in 4 months, nag 200%. Kinokopya ko lang yung best trades ng bot. Sabi ko, taas pa rin ng drawdown nito. Sige nga, diba? How about babaan ko yung lot size? So from there, ito siguro yung optimal na dapat kong gawin. Okay, so in this, tumagal siya more than a year yung pangongopya ko ng best trades ng bot. And sabi ko, kung tumatagal to ng more than a year, Coach Marvs, what if, kung effective talaga siya, lagyan ko, tarakan ko ng mga at least million. Kasi gusto ko kumita ng million eh. Pare-pareho tayo ng gustong milestone. And what I did is, naglagay ako ng 5 million, meron din akong 2 million account na kinokopya ko siya. And it's actually profitable more than a year. May isang account na 2 years pa nga. So, big sabihin, this is really effective. Kasi nagagawa ko siya from small account in more than 1 year and even in big accounts.
Nice.
So, what's the idea? Ano ba tong pangungopyang pinagkukwentuhan natin, Coach Marv, na kakopyahin nila yung best trade?
Lumiting drawdown.
Yes.
Yung mga test mo
Lumiit.
Okay.
Oo, yung mga forward testing.
Diba kasi natatakot laki ng drawdown. Pero at least na-control mo na maliit yung drawdown because of your testing na for how many years. So,
correct.
Sige.
So, yun yung gusto natin pagawa sa kanila. And inintroduce natin sa community ito. And what's really amazing is kahit estudyante na zero yung knowledge sa trade.
Nice.
Kumita bro, 500,000. Sabi ko prior the shadow technique, ilan confidence mo level? 0. Nagplan pa nga siya mag-quit. This is last year. And this year, may nakilala ako from Singapore. At his the 3rd month, 80 days.
Yung kanina bro, estudyante, no? Ang dami talagang estudyante na kumita na ng gusto na nilang yumaman ng bilis, no?
Estudyante
mga
to si
college,
George.
high school, as early as high school nga, gusto na nilang kumita na matuto.
Diba? Mas nasa time pa sila to like versus us, diba? In the na mas marami silang time to practice it. And katulad nito si Mark from OFW natin from Singapore, na-meet ko siya noong February. After 3 months, nag-update siya sa akin. With this MyFX book, bro, I achieved my first million in trading. This is first time. Thank you for Shadow. Even another one from Dubai, 1.5 million. And these people, this is our last year's performance. Another guy, his name is Art Santos, earned 10 million pesos. Ito pa amazing dyan, Coach Marv. Look at the deposit of this. $1,000?
Para for
deposit
50,
niya.
50K lang yan.
In 9 months, na 3 million niya.
What?
Nakikita sa MyFX book. Real.
Deposit
60,000.
Tapos 60K yung 3 million yung kinita. Just by copying, bro. Iba
yun, diba? That's how amazing that is. So parang kukopya mo lang talagang best trades niya.
Yeah.
Parang si robot na yung bahalang mag-analyze for you. And
kumbaga, igina mo yung binawasan mo sila ng trabaho, lalo na yung mga OFW, syempre mga busy yan diba?
Yan, diba? Oo. And aside from that, nakikita natin yung performance publicly. And if they would ask us the performance, we can really give them